Great affiliate marketing tips you can put to immediate use. If you're interested in an extra source of income in these hard economic times, then you've probably heard of affiliate marketing. If you create quality content online, then you will attract readers and generate profits through affiliate ads. This video contains several useful tips to guide you through how to do just that. You should only promote affiliate products that add value to your visitors' lives. Promoting inferior products just to make a quick buck is one of the fastest ways to lose trust with your readers. Once that trust is broken, it is impossible to regain. However, if you focus on providing value in the products you recommend, your readers will come to trust your recommendations and will continue to buy from you again and again. Affiliate programming is a gradual process that takes a while to make money from. It is important to remember that many programs give you lifetime payouts for members that you refer to their service. You must remember that affiliate advertising is not a get-rich-quick scheme, rather, it is an easy way to make some extra cash. Most importantly, your website content must be up to par. Your website will never get quality traffic if you are not targeting the consumer with information that is relevant and informative. An affiliate program will never work if you do not get good traffic directed through your site at a constant pace. Affiliate marketing entails many tasks, some hard and some easy. You should always tackle the hardest and longest tasks first if you want to be productive. By doing this, you will be able to coast through the easier tasks, ending your workday on a good, strong note. Plus, handling the tougher tasks first allows you to get more of them done per day. There are thousands, possibly millions of affiliate sites all over the web. The only way you will make yours stand out and truly become successful, is to create honest, interesting and quality content that will attract readers over and over again. Make sure to follow the tips in this video, in order to maximize results and achieve great success with affiliate marketing. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.